Hello and welcome to our first edition of CMS News. I'm your fellow student and host, Norman Andre. Before we get into it, I'd like to mention that this update will cover everything you need to know about what's happening on and off campus as it relates to our media careers. Think of this space as your centralized source of information for all internal and external events, opportunities, reminders, and deadlines. I know firsthand how overwhelming and frustrating it can be trying to get started on this business, but you are not alone, and we will aim to provide you with tools and information that will hopefully make the journey a little easier. Let's now jump into what's happening here at CMS. On Tuesday, December 14th at 1 p.m., CMS welcomes executive producer, actor, and award-winning filmmaker Clay Walker from Stephen Walker Productions. Hear what Clay has to say about creating jobs and opportunities in Colorado and other states through the entertainment industry. Again, that's Tuesday, December 14th at 1 p.m. here in Classroom 1. On Wednesday, December 15th, also at 1 p.m., Richard Ryman from Imagination Video Books will be here on campus as a guest speaker and to conduct intern interviews. Imagination Video Books is a non-profit that creates and publishes animated video books and storybooks with audio description for children with differences and disabilities. They are currently looking for audio and video book narrator interns, and this might just be the perfect opportunity to get hours while doing something meaningful. That'll be on Wednesday, December 15th at 1 p.m., also in Classroom 1. There are other internship opportunities which are posted and regularly updated on the Career Services Board, so make sure and check those out too. If you have any questions, please see Debbie Bird, our Career Services Director. Her email address is dbird@beonair.com. We also want to start showcasing events that are happening around town and would like your help. Want to feature an event that you think it's cool and sort of relevant? Send us an email at cmsnewsforyou@gmail.com. Next, it's time for Get to Know Our Faculty and Staff segment. This week, we're showcasing our very own CMS star, Hollie Wood.
My name is Hollie Wood. I am a singer. I'm an entertainer. I am a mom. I love animals. And my function here is I'm a social media coordinator. I'm also the administrative assistant. Students come to me when they need help. I'm good with the audio side of things. Or ideas. What brought me to work at CMS was my knack to be a team player, and I'm competitive and I like to help things grow in better organizations. One of my passions in life is media. I've seen it grow since I've started at the Colorado Media School. When I first graduated in 2017, if you believe it, is kind of when I first got introduced, but to see that people are relying on the media to get the word out to market and to get their word out. The one thing people should never do or say to me if they want to remain on my good side is complain. Complainers, have a solution for your problem, or else I'm gonna tell you to take a tissue from the tissue box and wipe your woes. To score brownie points with me is not, nice coat, your hair looks pretty, knock the fluff off. I like to help.
Let's move on to a few reminders and deadlines. As I'm sure you've heard, we all have to complete 160 internship hours in order to graduate. Hours can be done here at the school while working on projects after class or at any outside media-related placement. Again, see Debbie Bird or talk to any of your teachers for more information. We also need to finish our LMS or online courses or no degree. Think along the lines of no money, no honey. Have problems accessing the site or need any help? Contact Luis Quinones via email at lquinones@beonair.com. Reminder, We all get a weekly email from our campus director, Jennifer Wickham, titled Weekly Reflection. It is not only important but also mandatory for us to complete these surveys on a weekly basis. This is our chance to be heard, and please note that all reasonable feedback is accepted. Last but not least, as you heard earlier, please make sure that you're communicating with Hollie regarding your attendance. This includes absences and lateness. You can reach Hollie on 303-569-4607. This concludes our first ever edition of CMS News. We hope you have found this useful. Please contact us at cmsnewsforyou@gmail.com for any comments, feedback, or ideas. We're also looking for volunteers to help this show grow. Think internship hours, so do not hesitate to speak to me or Hollie. Thank you for watching, and see you around.
Is that good? Sorry. I'm gonna turn that on. Yeah. Oh, is that